Good morning. This is John Kielec. This is DNP, DailyNetPay, PTS, Private Trade Shares, live trading and real trading for Thursday, November 15th. My goodness, it's already middle of the month. This month is going fast. But anyways, where the failure is not an option. You only fail if you do not join us. You can earn without advertising, without sponsoring, and basically what I do, I mostly these days kind of left the network marketing industry behind because the markets, everything is going downtrend in network marketing, but DailyNetPay is doing quite well. What I'm actually doing, I trade to earn. Now I am willing to allow you to purchase the private trade shares and share my trading profits without you doing any trades or taking any trading risk. You even get to watch real live trades, and this one, you are going to watch it live. So first of all, for today, Thursday, November 15th, okay, I'm gonna introduce you to something a little bit different. I've been doing that for over a year, and you're gonna see that. But first of all, I want to get you familiar with the market, okay? I had one losing trade, a small trade, nothing major, because I kind of sensed that the markets were going wild. And so what happened, this is my crypto trend finder. It says critical trading condition. Market is in strong downtrend. Do not trend. So, I do follow some of these recommendations because if we're going to go to this chart first, let's go to Smart Trader and we're going to look at some markets. Okay, what happened? Look at the British pound against Swiss franc. Look at this. The market just went down. It's in a big downtrend, but it's a very volatile market this morning. So I'm having a hard time spotting any good trades. But there's one that I am kind of interested, but I am watching currently. Okay, you can see this is British pound against US dollar. It's in a big downtrend. Look at this big downtrend. Whoa, that's mega, So it was market going around here and all of a sudden just dropped down. And that happened at 2 o'clock in the morning, just before the London daybreak, okay? Even the London daybreak method wouldn't work for that because 3 o'clock and going back, so it's 1 red and 4 green. Okay, no, 4 green, so that would be going opposite for the market down. Okay, so if someone is that would have been a perfect wake up 3 o'clock in the morning, do this trade for downtrend. But I had a late morning the other day, so this morning I am not. But the markets are coming back, and you can see this is downtrend, so maybe it's going to go back up, but we've got to wait to see what else develops. Same in here, okay? This is the only market that kind of interests me, New Zealand dollar against USD, because it's uptrend, okay? You can see uptrend. There was a little bit down, but it's on uptrend. And let's take a look. 5 minutes. What I'm doing, showing you examining my markets. Okay, this is 5-minute chart, Bollinger Band. It's in the center over here, so the markets are not oversold, not overbought. But anyways, it's trading in a kind of like a channel, but that's only at 5 minutes. So if we go to 1 hour, which I use mostly, you can see. So I would like to see if this market hits the major uptrend support line. It'd be nice if we got over here to the pivot point, then I would go for prices up. So this is the only market that I'm kind of watching that interests me the most at this time. All other markets are, not. So you're going to see over here, I have Smart Trader, I have Wanda, and I've got another one, BinaryCent. Okay, this is a Wanda, so we had some nice profit yesterday. I didn't clear any of that, but anyways, there's all markets are the same. But what I want to show you today, okay, this is a real account as well. You can see I have $516.11. This is account that, well, first of all, BinaryCent. See over here, binary options, okay? Binary options is, this is what the binary option is all about. You can change Forex or binary options. And binary options, many may be heard of you, but there are, some people are claiming to making excellent living at it. Basically, I do play with the markets, okay? And I'm going to show you how this thing works, but basically, I'm just going to show you how I've done with this account, and I pull out some money, and we're going to be trading this account as well. Let's go. Okay, today is 15/11. Let's go right from beginning of this year. Okay, January 1st, 2018 to fill in, and let's see the closed markets. Okay, you can see what I've done. These are little bets of order size 5, then we've got 25 last over here, 1, last, 1. This is 1, this is 1. Like I say, I have traded since beginning of, where does it show? 312. Wow, okay, that's the very last day. The total turnover, $179. That was total turnover, that's in the last 24 hours, but the total turnover period for 2000, January 2018. Okay, it doesn't really matter. But total is $12,270. The trades, I've traded 1,426 trades so far this year. Okay, so do we have any open trades? No. But basically, okay, what it works, I'm going to just use $1 just to demonstrate how this thing works. Not a $10, okay. Okay, $1. So you can see this is Euro USD. Usually I look for the markets that pay 85% GP, British pound against the Canadian dollar. Okay, see this over here? It's a bar chart, strength chart. Basically, this is how many people think traders are online right now, that this market's going to go up. This market is wild. It goes up and down. We know today the market is very critical in trading, and we know it's trading downtrend. But anyways, so basically, there's many different methods. See, 78%, 54%. Basically, what some successful traders do, they watch every time the market hits like above 75%, and they go for the trend down. And you have 1 minute. You can select 1 minute up to 6 minutes. 30 minutes is the longest. What I usually do, I go for 1 minute, and we're gonna see this. Okay, we're going to do one trade for $1. So $1, if we win it, we're going to earn 90 cents profit. Okay, basically, see, you watch this, and my method, which most other traders use, it's somewhat 60-70% successful, but you still got to have intelligence behind trading to use this, especially this wild market, because you can lose a lot of money fast. Basically, 76%. You watch for any of these markets that about 3 times over 75%, then you go either call or put. I like my method. Look at it, was 77 once. Once the market drops way down here, and it kind of hovers for a bit, and I watch 77, like over 75% few times. Okay, then what happens is I place call. I strictly like call for prices to go up. So I'm just waiting for the market to get down. I'll show you the real trade. Another thing, if it's a losing trade, what successful traders using this method, they double. Like, you know, they're going to lose $1, so next dollar you're going to put $2. It's going to be $1.80 profit. So you're kind of 20 cents behind. Either double it or add another dollar to it. But anyway, see the market is going down, so 79%, see over here, 68%. So sometimes you got to kind of watch this thing. It's more of a watching game. But, you know, I know some members are trading $100, $500 in here, so it's either going to make it or break it. 69%, okay? So, okay, it's way down here. Okay, there was 68, 71%, okay, 70%. 79% was going there once. Okay, so the market might go up for a bit. 72% down. See, so it's very, very. I should have came in here, but anyways, we'll wait for another opportunity. You know, $1 is not much, but like I say, I try my best to win. 70%, 67. It's got to be over 75, 76%. Okay, the market is up. So you also got to watch this one here. Okay, 73%. So, you know, sometimes the market will stay up there for a bit, but all of a sudden it might just come down like a ton of bricks and just either shoot right up or stick around here for a bit. And sometimes you can stick around for a bit. It might go way, way down very fast. So like I say, right now we're just waiting for that to go down. And like I say, this is a fast, quick way to earn profits, but it's a very fast way to lose a lot of money fast too. 78%, 79. See, that kind of balanced out. 78, 79 was previously, now it's 60. So this is it's the meter bar, and this is a lot of puts. This tells how many members, how many traders online are pushing the market down, how many are pushing up. So, you know, it's kind of balanced. 78% was there once, so it might go up a bit. But I say, I do not trade in this category. I wait till the market gets way down here, which gives me the best chances. 79%, that was nice. 62% on the bottom. But anyways, this is, you know, just something. Yeah, it's a lot of more traders are calling for prices to go up than down for this time. 70%, that's low. It's got to be 75. Okay, I'm just, okay, there we go. Okay, we're going to take it. See, call. I just made the call over here. So we have 1 minute, and we're going to aim 90 cents. And basically, see this one, GB. This is the time expiry, 1334. 10, so basically, you know, when this 3410 reaches over here, we either gonna win or lose. So we have till 3410, and what happens? See what happens. 3410. Right now the market is a little bit below. Okay, so it's not in our favor. 72% over here, and 46%, 73. Come on, we got to get it up there. Okay, like I said, these markets can go very, very wild. So if I would lose this $1, okay, so I would automatically put $3 for the next. So we lost this trade. Okay, so now we'll watch for the market again. And to gain our money back plus a little profit, we got to go a little bit, 79%. Okay, so the market is going to go down again, 70%. Okay, lots of it is for the market, 72%, 70%. So, okay, we just got to wait a little bit longer. Okay, now 76%, that was once. So if it comes down, we're going to go for it. 70%. Okay, 68%. So it keeps hovering, but this is like, you know, sometimes I do small trades, you know, 10 dollars, $20 while I do my DailyNetPay work, and I have second screen beside it set up, and when I see the market hits the bottom over here, I'll make a call. Like I say, mostly I go for the calls. I don't go for puts, not in this one. I just kind of like the markets when they get down here, 74%, okay? So anyways, 78%, wow. So, I guess sometimes, day trading right now, but usually, later at night, it's better trading for this type. It seems that more traders, like especially when they work full time at nighttime, they trade, for an hour, and if you're lucky, you might make $50 to $100 a day in here. Like I say, some making a large money with binary option, but like I say, this is a very fast way to earn, but it's a fast way to lose money. Okay, 67, 73%. Okay, the market is going to 78 was above. Okay. All right, let's go 49%, 74%. Okay, is it going to drop down again? All right, 72%. The market is going up. 74%. See, I should have bought it in here, but gotta be quick sometimes. And while I'm talking this, but anyways, 41%. Okay, we're gonna go in here, 75%. Okay, we're gonna go in here for $3. Okay, so we have this now. We almost like doubled our amount, so we can win, and 37.10. Okay, this is where the market. So 37.10. When it hits that, either hopefully we're going to be above the green one, and we'll make $2.70 profit, which you will see increase in here. Okay, so we have, come on, you stay up there, baby. Okay, see, and then it went against us again. So this is a hard, come on, oh, hey, we did. See, at the very last minute, it pulled up. Okay, so that's why, how fast it is. Okay, so once again, see this trade, and we can see close trades. Okay, okay, let's go. What's today's 15th January? See, that increase has 183 in the last 24 hours. I did some trades last night, so I was playing with the market. Okay, wow, I'm going too fast. 218, 218. Today, November 15th. Okay, and these are the closed. Okay, and see, I've done 37 trades. Turnover is $183 in 24 hours. Okay, I don't know what date that. Okay, 14/11. I want 15. What's date today? 15th November, right? Yeah. So 15th November. Okay. Okay, 15th. 5/5/29/25. So anyways, this is where you see all of them. So I'm gonna drop down to $1 again. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, well, look at the market, it's way down. Okay, it's 79%, 78. Okay, let's go in here. Okay, so we just placed the trade up here. 65, 78. Pushing the market down. So usually 74, 78% just showed up. How much time we got? Okay, so we go over here, click on open trade. And we have open trades 39.40. Okay, 39.40. So, we still got a little bit of time. So the markets went down again, and is it gonna go up? Okay, there we go. 39.40 just pulled up. We have about 10 seconds, but look at that, how volatile the markets are today. Now, is it gonna go back up? Okay, what I'm gonna do in here, I'm gonna take this trade for $5 because we lost, and I'm gonna 47.50. Is it gonna go down? 27.56, 59.60. Okay. 73, it's still might go down. 27.71, some signs 78.70. Okay, see how the markets go? It's very, very wild market, very volatile markets today. But anyways, 74%. Okay, we're having some activity. 67, 77 still. More traders are pushing the markets down. 60%. 78, okay, it's still going down. 64, 37, okay, there's the first sign, and now it's going to go down. Okay, 78%, there we go. Okay, so it was 78%. See how quick you got to be? And so we pretty well hit the bottom here, 41.10. Okay, so we have, half a minute or so. So hopefully the market is going to go up. So, I lost the last one. So see, I took $5 for the prices to go up. 78%. Ooh, it's going to be close. All right. So let's see what's going to happen for 41.10. And we have few seconds in here. Look at this. At the last minute, the market has dropped again. Okay, I'm going to take another $10 call. Okay, so that's basically what you do in here. Like I say, during the day, I don't trade this market. Also, critical trading is today in effect with any kind of markets. Well, now it's going nicely up. So anyways, we're going to gain some money back, 42.10, hopefully. Okay, we still got lots of time because this thing can drop at any time very, very quickly. Sometimes, at nighttime it's not as bad, but during the day it can go very, very fast. So, it's a fast way to make them. Imagine taking $500 and just putting one way. All of a sudden you would end up with, another $1,000 within a minute. Okay, so here we go, 41.10. We have 4. Okay, 7, 9. Okay, we have a winning trade. And you can see we made our money back, plus we're back into the, excuse me, into the trading zone. So this is how same broker, BinaryCent, they're pretty good brokers, okay, and what I'm seeing in here, I'm watching this market in here, okay? What happened last night, we were actually trading but we're trading micro in here, okay? Which I went buy, okay? British pound against Swiss franc, and the market just went down. So I lost $10.06. Another one, tried Euro USD for prices to go up. It did go up, but hit my stop loss, and it was $1.90. This was, one was micro trade, which is like 10 cents per pip, and mini lot is $1 per pip. Standard lot is $10 per pip, but we gotta earn some money in here to bring this over $1,000, actually $1,400 to trade the higher pips, higher lots, because that's what's happening. So anyway, so that's for the market today, and let's see what happens. I'm going to pause this video because, like I say, this is the only trade that I am watching. And okay, see over here it came, but it's an uptrend. I would like to hit it over here, then we'll go for prices up. As long as it doesn't break below that. The three lines are over here, not crossing each other. So all I can do is wait, and like I say, because the markets are still critical conditions. So if no trades, no trades. I don't like to risk my money in very volatile markets. So we'll just see what happens, and I'll pause the video. And maybe I'll come back here. Maybe we'll see this green or normal trading conditions. Then we'll look for another. So for now, I'll pause this recording and come back a little bit later. Okay, I am back again and just examining the markets to see what's happening. Okay, this is the only trade that I am kind of watching and interested, because this is about the only one that it's stable, so you can see, but we weren't here yet. It went over here, came down, and kind of hit went above. So the market is in uptrend, but not sure what is going to happen in here yet. But same thing with when I'm watching the market. The markets are still volatile and critical condition. Okay, I just refreshed that. It didn't change. So, and the reason that is, I can show you what I mean by that if we go to the market watch. And let's take a look at this GB and Swiss franc in here. Okay, look at this. Market is in this one. The long term is overall looks like it's a little bit of uptrend. Over here got in the channel, but over here, middle of the night, look at what happened. The London daybreak, something what happened, whatever the news was out there. And see this Bollinger Band? You see the red one, this one, and the green. It's normal trading conditions, okay? See how this is? But all of a sudden, look how this has spread. So that's where volatility comes in. The critical conditions come in. And this is what a lot of markets have, because you can see this in here. You know, I'm watching this, and same thing. It's very risky to get into the trade. So maybe we're not even going to trade today in these markets because it's way too risky. I do not, I minimize my risks, and I don't go into the critical conditions of the markets. So you can see what's happening, and this is pretty well with every market. I didn't read the news out there. I do not. Sometimes Mary GK tells me what's happening with financial markets. Yes, she's into that more than I am, but I just looking at the charts, something is happening out there, and a lot of these markets, these are the markets from yesterday, I didn't clear that. But like I said, the only one we're going to be watching is the one is kind of steady. Which one was that? This one right there, New Zealand dollar against US. So we're watching it. When it comes down over here, I'm not going to push it because even the other markets, critical condition, they still have effect on this. But this one, it's about the most stable one. Now, let's go into the other market. Okay, let's see in here. So look at that. I made a little trade. Okay. So like I took $5 over here. I'm just doing some work and just watching this. And you know, let's see if I can do one more profitable trade in here. See, this was drop. I used, once again, you know, this is market is downtrending, so I look when it drops way down to the bottom, and we go for prices up. This is binary options, okay? Many of you maybe heard binary options are very risky. This is BinaryCent. A broker, very reliable, one of the stable brokers. Like I said, I have 3 brokers that I'm dealing with. Okay, so we're profits here, here, and there. And look at the market that is going up. I'm not sure how long it's going to take to comes down here because I like to show you. Then maybe just show you one more trade and we'll stop this recording, either come back later or close the trades because I got to go out. So because the conditions, market conditions today are pretty wild. So yesterday we had a nice day, and that's the way it is in trading. Sometimes you got to take the good with the bad, or bad with the good, and you know, that's all I can say. So the total turnover is $201 in the last 24 hours. So, you know, these are little profits, but they count. And like I say, you know, I brought the account up to $520.11. And we're gonna want to take this over $1,000, so we can start trading in the standard lots and getting $10 per pip instead of going the mini lots and the micro lots. Well, micro lots, it's 10 cents per pip, so you need lots of pips to be profitable. Mini lot is $1 per pip. It's not much. We have enough for mini lot to trade in here. But for standard lot, we got to have minimum account of like a little over $1,300 in account to get into that $10 per pip trading. Okay, let's see. Oh, you see, I'm talking. I missed one over here. 77%, 27. Come on. I just want to show you one more profitable trade, how this one works, and, you know, bring this to, you know, if we win this one, it'll bring $4.50, $5, so you risk $5 to make $4.50. Okay. Okay, so yeah, sometimes it's a waiting game, but like I say, it's usually these markets go a lot faster, but during the day they're a little different, especially in conditions today. So okay, all right. 76%, 74, okay, 70, 78. See how it goes up and down, up and down. So 78%, it is about 75, 75, 79. So what the bears are pulling and bullish are going their way, you know. So there's traders pulling this trade up, the other traders are pulling this trade down. So majority over here, whoever gets, you know, however the markets gets, majority usually wins about, I would say, 90%, but it changes so quick. That's why this is a different type of trading. But like I say, when it's normal condition, it's a lot easier to spot these trades at the bottom, but today it's a different day, and let's check in, see if the market still, this is gonna, I don't think it's gonna change. It's 9:16 a.m. in the morning, Eastern Standard Time, like New York, Toronto time, and the markets are still critical. So okay, so are you gonna give me a trade to trade? We can go over here, but we're probably going to lose it. Even if it's a $5 or $1, I don't like losing. Okay, so 73%, 79. See that? And that was back and forth. So, you know, 76. No, so they keep putting these markets. And this is GPD, because I go for, like, this pays 90%. Okay. Oh, there we go. There we go. This is 57, 75%, and we're going to see 77. Okay. All right. We're going to call it here. All right. So 74, 77%. So that market should go 74. Might drive it down again. So see, the market are up and down. We got 14, 18, 20. 18, 20. So hopefully the market's going to go towards our end, but that all depends over here how they're going to drive the markets up. We have 20 seconds to take the profit. Okay, and is it going to happen? Well, let's see. Okay, 47, 54. Okay, 79%. Okay, 79%, 74. Okay, there we go. Come on, get up there. All right. All right, it didn't. We got nothing. Okay, so the market, it just went along. So we didn't lose, didn't win this one. All right, but anyways, that's how this trading is. See, now it goes up. So, but that's the way it is. Okay, so anyways, I'm not gonna waste my time in here because, like I say, I got other things to do. But usually I have other screen beside this one, and I watch this one. Sometimes when it gets down here and it goes up and down like this, stays here for a bit. Okay, let's see. Maybe we're gonna take another one. 68, 77%. It's driving down 77. Another 48, 65, 76, 76. See, 79, 66. Okay, which way is going to be 68, 36, okay, 39, we're going to take it here, okay, so we got it over there, 2020, you know, we kind of missed this one, but see what happens in here. Okay, 75%, as long as we get a majority of pushing higher, the price will push higher. And we got till 2020. So we still got lots of time. Now the market 76%, 79. Okay, so it's going to go in our favor. But now we have 73, 77. See, it goes back and forth, back and forth. And that's the thing, 75%. But now they're driving the prices down. Okay, so 2020. Okay, it's okay. So look at this. We're gonna change this to 10. Okay, I'm gonna show you how this works. I don't think we're gonna win this trade. Okay, so now I just doubled that, 77. We're gonna go to call 78%, and we're gonna call it here, and let's go. Okay, so now we have 505. We're going for $10 trade, $9 win. So hopefully the market is going to go up, and the payout is going to be $17. Okay, so we got till what? 21.20. Okay, so we still got lots of little time. Okay, what's happening with the markets in here? See, today's a really horrible day. Horrible. Okay, and it went way down. We got 20. Okay, so I'm going to place another call in here. 79%, 71%. Still pushing the markets down. Still pushing the market 73. Okay, this looks like we lost that trade, but we'll take this one again for $10. So we're going to play this market to win some money back. Okay, so if we don't do this one, and see what happens. Okay, we got till 22.20, so we still got lots of time. See, sometimes the markets, okay, this one now the bulls are pushing 73%, and we still got 20 seconds. Okay, anything can happen yet with this. Look at that, 80%, 72.52. So now the prices are going to come down a bit, you know, as long as this 73%, so it's good, looks good. And we have 5 seconds, okay, 18, 19. So it looks like this is a profitable trade. So there we go. We have 512. Okay, so we had 520. We're a little bit behind. Okay, so I'm gonna take one more trade if the markets go down here to bring it above that $520. Oh, there's another. What's happening in here? 41, 59, 70. Okay, 68. The market, oh, this is a danger zone. It's 47, 61, 39. Okay, yeah, 69%. Yeah, they're driving the market down. 76%. It's still 77. First sign of over 75. The market's going to go down 71%. Okay. 26.74. Okay, what's going to happen in here is going to 64. Okay, 62.52. Okay, if it's 79% showed up 67. Okay, 79. So it should come down again. Yeah. All right. Okay. So there we go. 76%. We're going to take that over here. It showed 76%, so it was a little bit over. And once again, 24.20. So we have some time in here, and as long as these be a lot higher than the lower, than the pushing down, then we'll have the trade profitable. Okay, so my weekend looks like, 70%, oh, 80%. That was a danger zone. Okay, so we have 20 seconds, 10 seconds to go, and 8 seconds. Okay, so 54. So you can see how the markets jump up and down. That's vitality. Okay, we have a trade result, $519. Okay, so we had what, 5 something before. Okay, so we can sit here and play this market. I can do this at $50 and we would win, but that's you know, this is a volatile day, critical day, so I am not going to risk that much. I will risk another $5 over here, and it'll break us above the 520, what we had before. I always try, whatever I was trying to come a little bit ahead. And let's see how is our other market over here. Okay, this market, it's still pushing up. Yeah, it would have been nice to get in here. Came pretty close. So this is New Zealand USD. That's the only market that we are watching, except this one, the binary option with the broker BinaryCent. You can check them out online. They're pretty good. A lot of binary option traders use BinaryCent. I think Zuko, you probably know Zuko, they use BinaryCent. There's a few other big trades are using this as well. Okay. We can always check other markets in here. GP, AUD. Let's see what's happening in here. Okay, the same. It works in the same way. They give you 85%. Okay, looks like this up and down, up and down. Okay, sometimes you look for these markets. Another good one is Euro USD. USD Canadian. See the different percentage they play over here. Alright, Euro Japanese, that's the one we were before. So we're going to take this one more trade to bring this thing. Either we win or lose, and we win. We leave this market as I got to do a few things. Okay, so 70% in here, GP. Okay, this one. Yeah. What else we have? We tried that. I'm just trying to speed up the process. I can speed up the process, just place a trade. But like I say, I am very persistent in trading. I wait for my proper moment to give my trading the best possibility to be to come out profitable. Okay, I do not. When I risk money, I trade very, very carefully. Okay, even, you know, like $5, but you know, you can lose $5 when you want to double this. It's going to be like 15. It could be then 45 and whatever, and all of a sudden this account will go down to 0 very fast. So you got to have, you know, I call it intelligence and trading. Okay, so all right, this thing's going to give us a trade. Yeah, I could take the trade over here, even though 59.27. See over here, 75%. Okay, it's more likely going to go up, 75% down. All right, so it's coming down. It looks like they're pushing the prices down. 54, 55, 66, 34, 77. Okay, okay, go down a bit more, and we'll take 68. Next 75, over 75 above, we'll take the trade. 69, 40%. Okay, 75% was below. See, the market went up. Well, went down, but it went up. Okay, so 50, okay. There we go. That's where we want. Okay, there we go. We got the trade over here. So we have 29.18. See the expiry time, 14.29, and this is the time that 29.18. So we have a little time in here, 28. That's got to be 29.18. And if we win this, we'll get $14.25 back. Okay, so we have 18 seconds to go and see what happens. How are they? 80%. Oh boy, this is going to be pretty close. Pretty close to in here, 68, 37. It's still hanging in there. See what I say? 18. Okay, 16 and 18. We won. Okay. So this is how it's done. And look at right after that, the market. You can see it. When they're pushing the market, it's going to go down. 523, we got a profit. We're going to go check what's happening. On the other side, see, this is the other trading is pretty wild. Okay, this is, you set it, you can forget it, put your stop losses, profit limit, and you can just walk away and, you know, come back with $3, $4, $5,000, few $1,000, depends if you go long-term day trading and whatever. So once again, I'm going to stop this recording. I'm going to wait another half an hour. If nothing happens, then we're just going to close this for today. And because the markets, once again, I'm going to check, the markets have not changed critical conditions. Market is strong downtrend, do not trade. So my crypto writer, crypto trend writer tells me this. It applies to all markets, okay? As you can see in other markets, okay, and Forex markets gets all affected, and the reason is by that you can see the Bollinger Band, okay, you can see the normal trading pattern, but all of a sudden we get into this critical conditions, and this is where something like that, I stay away from it, okay? Well, anyways, I'm going to pause this recording, come back later, or either close this for today, and we'll come back maybe way later this afternoon or tomorrow morning. For now, I'm just going to pause it. Okay, I am back, and I am back with BinaryCent broker, where we have $523.36 as shown up here. You know, they got different platform. They use platform in charts by TradingView, which is another well-known charting service, platform service used by many traders. But what I'm interested in here, I found the British pound against Japanese yen. Okay, this is like a uptrend, but it's between 50-50. But here's a possibility, what we have in here, and let's examine this on a larger chart, okay, and what we're seeing in here, okay, so this was downtrend. The markets are still critical. Okay, so I see the critical conditions still exist, so I'm not really going to push this, but I think we can have some possibility in here to get into this market, even go 50% retracement, which should be somewhere over here. So let's place order, and we're going to use, okay, we're going to use, this is $10,000 lot, $10,000. So this is actually called the mini lot, where we're going to have $1 per pip. Okay, so you can see you need required balance to trade that. You need $500,000 to the account, but for this trading risk, $128 US. We have that. Okay, once again, we're gonna take a look. Okay, this is way down here, I believe. Okay, the prices start going up, so we're going to place an order to buy at the market. Okay, buy at the market price. All right, so place. And our order was placed. Okay, you can see this over here. All right, so you can see, okay, closed trades. Let's go to open trades. Okay, what's happening with this? There we go. Open trade. So right now we're like $5, $6 behind. But like I say, in here, it's a $10,000 trade, okay, based because, you know, basically you're trading a $10,000 account with this kind of amount, okay, and the required balance is $128, okay, so we can see each pip is going to be worth $1, and we cannot trade the standard lot, but as the markets are in critical trading conditions, says do not trade, I'm going to risk low money in here, But before I even risk it, because I'm going to exit this, leave this trade, see $1.77. So we need about 50, 60 pips to make, $50, $60 in this critical condition trading day for Thursday, November 15th. But I want to place a stop loss. Okay, so what we're going to do in here, okay, we're going to place a stop loss in here. So there's the stop loss. We're going for prices up, and okay, we're going to place the stop loss right below, behind. Okay, what is the lowest low? Okay, this is the lowest low over here. Okay, that's 144. Okay, so okay, that's pretty good, and we're gonna place that stop loss in here. Okay, so okay, so the stop loss, okay, is just going to be placed. It's going to show in here. Okay, take profit, stop loss. So I don't know. It's pretty. This computer. I have many browsers open today, but it's very slow for some reason, or maybe it's BinaryCent that is slow because they have a lot of traders. They use this trading platform a bit. See, we have in profit right now $6, and if we use that in $1,300 account, then that would be $10. So that would be a nicer thing. Okay, this thing is spinning. Okay, it's gonna give us that stop loss. It's gotta give us a stop loss sooner or later. Okay, let's try this again. Usually this doesn't happen, but today is special. Like I say, when it's critical trading conditions, you can expect a lot of things. The market is going up again for us to begin with, but we want our stop loss. Okay, so let's do the stop loss again. Okay, so I'm going to place the stop loss way back here and click place. I'm not going to leave the trade till I see the stop loss in here. Okay, and logged out. Okay, all right, so let's log in. John, okay, we're going to be logging in, and we're going to have to find our, okay, since this is done by TradingView charts, and see the margin went down because they take out $128 for that. So we're going to go to CFD Forex, and we were trading, okay, open trades. Where do we have this? Buy. Okay, I'm going to exit this trade. I didn't ask for it. So we have this trade for going up, and what we're going to do in here, we're going to get out of the binary option, get into the Forex, and this is the trade that we are actually on. Okay, there's the stop loss. There it is. Was that the trade? GP Japanese yen. GP Japanese yen. Okay, so this is, we gotta switch this to 1 hour, no, 1 day. And this is where we are. Okay, I'm just I am trying to view my stop loss in here. I've never experienced, such issues like today. And like I say, critical conditions, I usually stay away. But I just want to make sure that I see my stop loss. There we go. There we go. Okay, I just had to scroll down. Okay, let's enlarge this screen. There we go. Okay, so there's the stop loss, and see what happens with this market. Hopefully it's going to go up. We got in here at, when did we get in? 9:53. Right now, we're a little bit, but the market is going up. Okay, 9:53. So we're up here. 9. Okay, so anyways, well, as long as we got stop loss played, so we're gonna see what happens, come back later, and so this is our entry point to buy, and hopefully it's gonna go up there. As soon as we have some profits, I'm gonna exit this trade, because right now it's going against us. Like I say, this is critical conditions. We're only trading the mini lot for today. All right. So once again, I'm going to pause the video or recording and come back a little bit later. Okay, I am back and examining the British pound against Japanese yen. Okay, this is the current trade that we have with the binary broker. Okay, so we are, kind of losing money in here, but, this is early to tell what's happening. Okay, what I'm going to do, we're going to change this background to white. I like the white better than the dark ones. Okay, so we can see better. And okay, so there we go. And let's examine this in a full screen. Hopefully it's not going to kick me out and log in again, because this happens with TradingView, because TradingView it's connected with BinaryCent, but today is it's a crazy market. Everything is so slow in the market, and you can see it's just going and going. But anyways, this is where R is. I want to bring it up in the full view so we can see the markets. Okay, so you can see our trade was over here, stop loss was over here, and the market is trying to go up, but it's stuck. Okay, like I say, the critical conditions do apply. I think they're going to be like that all day today. This doesn't want to come back. So anyway, so we're going to try this again in the full screen mode. All right, is it going to happen? Like I say, a lot of things, because the markets are wild, so certain things just don't want to work properly. But anyways, we got this one, and we're going to be working with this. Like I say, I got to go out. See, so the 13, 12, 11. So I believe the market is we're going to keep this trade. Okay, anyways, we have the required balance in there. See what happens, because this market, sooner or later, All right, as sooner or later, it's got to bounce back up, and I believe we'll be somewhere 50% retracement in here. So we can make, in a mini lot, because that's what we're trading, and take some of the profits. Okay, and log me out. BinaryCent's got a super high security. That's why, I sometimes let sit the market day kind of log you out, and you got to log back in. Okay, let's go to the Forex. Okay, Japanese yen, 16. Okay, it might take a little time to come up. But anyways, we have the this is what it looks like over here. See the market, we're over here, and we patched over here. I believe, this is going to be the 50% retracement somewhere in here. So that's 326 pips. So even if we go halfway here, that's going to be like 149.4, 150 pips. So, that'd be a $150 trade at mini lot. That would be a nice profit for today. Okay. So this is what I aim. We have the stop losses in there. I'm going to pause this and come back a little bit later because I got to step out. So, I'll be back in 3-4 hours.